Corpbiz.
Hello everyone, welcome to Corpbiz. My name is Divya Dikshit and today in this video we are going to cover the topic intellectual property dispute. First of all, we'll explain you what is intellectual property, the type of intellectual property, what is intellectual property dispute, what is infringement, and the type of intellectual property dispute and a solution. Yes, at last we'll also provide a solution that how you can solve the problem of intellectual property dispute. So let's begin the video. What is an intellectual property? Intellectual property is an intangible property which cannot be touched or have any physical appearance. So basically, intellectual property is created using the intellect or the creativity of an owner's mind or the creativity innovation of a person. So if we talk about the example of the intellectual property, it can be a logo design, it can be the artistic work, or it can be the literary work, musical composition, it can be machine, it can be software, etc. So if we talk about the intellectual property, it is described as the property because it can be sale, purchase, mortgage, or it can be transferred. So now let me explain you the type of intellectual properties. Types of intellectual property: copyright, patent, trademark, industrial design, geographical indication, and trade secrets. So you can protect your innovation, your creation through the copyright, through the patent, through the trademark by getting registered. Registration provide a safety, a protection to your work, to your creation, to your innovation, so that it's being protected from being copied, cheated, or duplicated. It can be done, means registration process is very easy and simple, and it's provide various legal right for your safety, for the protection of your work through trademark, through copyright, and through patents. Look, if you are registering your work, it can be renewed for a specified period, but a satisfaction is there for yourself that in future, if in case any conflict or dispute arises, then you have a legal proof through the registration part. Intellectual property dispute. Infringement is considered as the most common type of the intellectual property dispute. Infringement occurs when someone dares to copy your original work, your innovation, your creativity of your mind without asking from you, means without asking from the owner of the property. For example, if you are a musician, you have created your own music album and you have also patented your music album, but someone dares to copy, to cheat or duplicate your music album without your permission, then in that case, intellectual property dispute arises. Now let me explain you the type of intellectual property dispute, which are as follows. Type of intellectual property dispute: copyright infringement, patent infringement, and trademark infringement. Solution: it's rightly said that for every problem there is a solution. So for intellectual property dispute, there is also the ultimate solution through which you can protect your work, your creation, your creativity. And how it can be done? It can be done through the process of registration. Means if you have done the patent, the trademark, the copyright, then these all things will protect your work. For that, what you need to do is the copyright registration, the trademark registration, or the patent registration. Through registration, your work is protected for a specified period of time, and it can be renewed depending upon your choice. Now you'll ask that how the registration procedure is done. So let me explain you. The Corpbiz team has already covered the registration procedure of trademark registration, of copyright registration, or the patent registration, which is available to you on the screen. So in future, if you are planning to protect your work, your creativity, your innovation, then you can easily connect to Corpbiz, because Corpbiz has a dedicated team of expert, team of lawyers, which will guide you through all the legal proceedings and the document process. We'll connect soon with a new informative video. Till then, you take care. Bye-bye.